Koko Samoa Cupcakes, welcome back. Here at Blue Rose with my boys. Angola's birthday. Henry, Mr. Simpson, and Egan. Yeah, we're just back to catch up, have a gathering. Hey boys. Yeah, happy birthday, Sam, Ula, Henry. Thanks for inviting me. Happy to be here and wish you all the best.
Thank you for the viewers for today. Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday, Sam. Thanks for inviting me today.
Hey man, happy birthday, Henry.
Just came to try the island food. It was quite nice. I'm here again. Get to come back. And we just get to talk to the boys and see what the boys are up to and talk to Ola and stuff. So yeah, we'll have a look at the food when it gets out here.
Happy birthday, Sam and Henry. But not many cucumbers around.
Yeah, we got cucumber over here. What's Sam?
We got watermelon here. Now we got the tower over here.
Oh man.
Hey, can't be
The guavas over here.
So we got food here. And then we halal, so can I get the eggs beanie with salmon? Or, you know, check out these plates, man.
Piece of steak, some mixed grilled egg.
Island boys, you know, island boys.
Island food, they're gonna eat, eh?
Island boys.
Hey, Ula.
Yeah, no cucumber, man.
Can't fit on the table, eh?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sush is going today, though. Crackle is really good. Chorizo is still spicy, little kick. Sausage eggs. Yeah, it's a nice spice pack of chalk chips. I haven't tried the steak yet, which is medium rare. We'll see. Stay tuned.
As always, you know, it's my fish pie and I'm a seafood guy, you know, salmon, breakfast is good, man. Wake me up a nice breakfast. My cappuccino here to start the day. Cheers. Go.
Hey.
So let me know, alright. So we the boys had a nice little breakfast, you know. You know, get to see Ula for the first time ever outside. Sam and Egan and John.
Good to come get some cupcakes.
Blue Rose, yeah. Come some island food and yeah, on to Egan.
Bro, how does it feel, Afghanistan guy eating island food?
It's good, man. Yeah. They never tried this food before, eh? We're gonna come support the island, you know, support the locals. And Koko Samoa.
Koko Samoa.
Oh, thank you. No English.
No English, only chorizo. Yeah, if you want to get some cupcakes, the Koko Samoa, come to Red Rose.
I'm getting in his house.
Malo.
Okay, boys.
Okay, Ula.
Will you pack it?
So,
What was that?
The Fiji style, eh? The Fiji style, eh?
Yep. That's my mate Sam.
Hey mate, how's it
Yeah,
going?
Sam's got a bit of a goal lead. He's aiming to get to 95, but he started at 130, 134. And you look at him now. Tell us, bro. Tell us what's going on about your weight loss goals.
Advice: don't be fat. Eat moderately. Otherwise, it's a bitch to lose all that weight. So stay skinny. And if you're already skinny, get to the gym.
So Sam, he's lost over 20 kgs now, and yeah, he says a lot of stuff, but I don't know what's the secret.
You want to know the real secret?
What's the secret?
The carnivore diet. Just meat, no veggies, no carbs.
Okay.
And for the vegans and the vegetarians, tough luck.
Okay. These are the boys, the work boys. When these guys are on, the unit is safe. No one's playing up. As soon as these guys gone, then the code orange card's going. The red.
Oh, ACC, man.
Sisi. Whakaalo whatu mākou. Mawhala. Hoko te o e kaina tau matua haku. Hau o ke langamatai ke whakamea e lākau. Hele e lākau. Ke mea e puhala. I'm not sure if that's the word, but I'm here to, I don't know if you can see, trim down these trees up here to clear the driveway because it's coming pretty low. So I got a ladder and some stuff to help. Yeah, let's see how it looks. It's going to be a lot of trimming, a lot of work, a lot of free labor. Do it for the love. Langmatai tau matua haku. So yeah, this is what it looks like here. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it's not that much, but that's what it looks like. And then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Man, just trying to think. AFI experience. I got no experience in arboring. I just come and see what I look at this one. Holy, just got a, that's massive. I can't even reach those, you know, from the road. Look at that. It's huge. So yeah, get this started. Whoa. Might just start with this one here. Yeah, start here. Yeah. Easy. Just cut. And then go. I'd love to like record myself and work. You know that stuff you see people clearing up hedges and lawn mowing, landscaping. But I don't have another person here, so I'll just show you what it looks like afterwards. Okay, tot veel weer. Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
Whakalawhalahi atu he pongi hae ko maua e mo John o mai ke hele he tawa kau ke ata e driveway haku I me whila. Haia, me ke lea whan ke hae me tangata ki tau si tauka. Ko vene o ui mai, hau ke inu e si. Haia ma John whakawelahi. Wawelahi hae toa kau ke hele. Ke ata haha kumula.
Yeah.
Ai me ke tulaki si tunga ne e walai. Walai ka hapa. Ia. hele ke whakamea.
Toke tupe, tau sia mga whao ai.
A ke sewe tupe.
Sewe tupe.
Sewe tupe hako ke ua tutonge tangata hake hau ke hele mo whakamea me uta ke wau e taua kau. Aia, mitaki lahi.
Whakaoe.
Whakaoe lahi ma John ko mea te driveway ha maua. Whakaoe he hau ke laumatai ne. Hua kau tāwene ke tōri tō kau ke whakamea.
Tilo.
Ka matimi. Hona lenga hoa lahi e, si ki kila mitaki puke la. Aia, o whai mo nege ta mai trailer ke. Laua ki ta wewe. Heri puke la me la kau kōmasa.
Ife?
Hai, la e.
These ones. Oh, here. Okay. Whai kupu.
Omo. Kua mangiangi te paratu driveway hifu ke paratu. O era he kua. O paki te te ura kau le mawhisi la he mui mai he next door ke whahi e. Wai hanai kua. Ma paki tai si koe lau whaki whahi tua. Po ke uta ke he. Ta ke uta ke whahi tua ke popo hifu e whitu tongi. Le uta ke he rubbish dump koe. Tongi e. Ke uta tau wewe ke. I tau rawa kau ko ke toro ke tampi ia i Istamaki. Rau ka ni toka me whahi tua ke popo si lātai me ka tini mō whakamui. Aia, ma whore aho.
Whakaoe. Whakalo whatu mako o si e ngā hua si... what's this man? Totongi? Totongi haku?
Totongi a ve, tāna nage, kai wha kai au he salmon. Mai talo. Tōpuru hui sāmani ma tau kau.
Kai nona la.
Si, whaonga ke whakaako mai a lolongo mawheleni hanga mai.
Koe lolongo tausi ai e meke miliani ke matakau hakupu atua. Laka pi ne watu ki la otonga. E lolongo nei si koe whakaako lolongo whakaako e vene e gachon ke lolongo e lolongo.
Lolongo hakupu e?
Lolongo hakupu. Mawheleni hanga mai. My friend, look at me. The whole song's about going away and trying to raise the profile of Niue. And it's saying,
No, it doesn't matter. I got it mixed up. It's supposed to be
the first fun.
Longa. Start.
Ole ole haku
First one we're gonna
sino
sing it properly.
o e angaka.
Okay. Luliu eh? Luliu?
Honge pati korea e, wa ilo ke lolongo. Wa honge te wen, hei hako ka mativi kai mue kai.
Kene batu video. Ko kai teng. Ara kai wani nastu ka hua. Kai mue kuki kai nai.
Ua whālea.
O kai mue kuki ara kai wani tau si tua kau.
Aia.
Okay, whakaui. Whakalo whatu mākou, back on pongi laka hui, o mō matuwhiwhene haku. Tutala e pongi nei, tō kupu niwe.
Whakalo whalahi atu kia mtolu osi tunga ia he ui e John. Ko e ohui a maua, laka hui. Furuala e pongi haku ki kila e la, si ma whana whoki. Longa e te tangata ne o he palatu, whalu, heke tau pasikawa ta holi, whalu o he tau motoka, heia. Whakanongongo mai ma John. Whakanongongo. Whakanongongo is the word for listening. Whakanongongo mai ma John. Longwana na kai?
Lagona.
Longwana, heia. Kupo i he pungpongi. Whakanongongo. Whakanongongo mai whakamitaki. Listen carefully. Nafo ki lalo si whakanongongo mai. Sit down and listen. We go back to the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. If you know how to pronounce the A, E, I, O, U, you'll find it much easier to pronounce or say the newer words. Because T is T. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Whakanongonongo. Whakalofa atu. Whanohui. Nofo. Kilalo. Poi mai. Whakanongonongo e to selinga hao ma John. Selinga means ears. Selinga e. Most of us parents would say to our kids, "Hai, whakanongongo mai a koe. Whakanongongo mai tau selinga hao. A whangi e tau selinga hao. Longona na kai. Whakanongongo mai. A whangi e tau selinga. Longona na kai. Pehea koe moia. E. Longona. Common saying Kaniwe parents would say to their children, "Ai, nofo taha, sit still. Nofo taha, sit still. Whakanongonongo. A whangi e tau selinga." Heia, that's the word for this morning, some newer words for you to learn. So you say to the kids, "Ai, whakanongonongo mai. Nofo ta. Nofo whakamitaki. A whangi e tau selinga. Ke longona au ne wanghau." Hei ma John, te kupu e ki whanaka ke e whakaako.
Too low. Hey,
Heia,
fine.
nā kai.
Too low. Oh well, if you this new episode, this is learning some newer language words, some basics whakanongonongo, nofo taha,
A whangi,
hawhangi,
selinga,
selinga, kikila,
kila, whakamitaki.
whakamitaki.
Yeah.
So just some words for you people out there, manaka ke ako e wangahau niue. Some basic words you can use every day with your kids, or yourself, or your husband, or your girlfriend, or whatever. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Tō whilawai o.